In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin on Kraken using a debit card quickly and easily. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a newcomer eager to dive into the world of digital currencies, this step-by-step guide will make the process streamlined and understandable. We'll navigate through the Kraken platform, which is well known for its user-friendly interface and robust security features, giving you confidence in every transaction. Let's start by logging into your Kraken account. You can do this either through the web browser or the app, whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're logged in, you're greeted with the Kraken homepage. Take a moment to get familiar with the interface if it's your first time here. Now, the next step is to locate the Buy Crypto option, which should be prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it, and this will bring up a list of cryptocurrencies that you can purchase on the platform. Now, since we're interested in Bitcoin today, find and select Bitcoin marked as BTC. This is a crucial step, ensuring you're purchasing the right cryptocurrency, as Kraken offers a variety of options. Once Bitcoin is highlighted, it's time to move to the next action. You'll now be prompted to enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. You can decide whether you want to spend a specific amount of fiat currency, say dollars, or if you want to buy a specific amount of Bitcoin directly, whichever suits your goals and budget. Simply input the amount that you're comfortable investing at this stage. After you've confirmed the amount, you need to choose your payment method. Today, we're focusing on using a debit card. So go ahead and select the debit card option from the list of available payment methods. Debit cards are a popular choice due to their convenience and the quick processing times they offer for transactions. Ensure your card details are correct and securely stored for the subsequent steps. With the payment method set, it's time to confirm your purchase. Take a moment here to review all the details, the amount of Bitcoin you're buying, the currency conversion rates if applicable, and any transaction fees that Kraken might list. Double-checking these ensures you're proceeding with all the necessary information at hand. Once everything looks good, you can proceed to finalize the transaction by selecting Confirm Purchase. Congratulations! You've now successfully bought Bitcoin using your debit card on Kraken. It's that simple and quick, translating into just a few minutes of your time. Remember, as you step into the exciting realm of cryptocurrency, to keep security top of mind and store your Bitcoin safely. Thanks for watching and happy trading.